another. And then comes an 18-wheeler.
Oh, whoa! Watch this next one. Another one's coming up.
80 outside Des Moines, Iowa.
We had gone from just a couple cars crashing in the ditch to approximately 40 vehicles that have been impacted with this crash.
Fuck.
Motorists in the opposite lane are stunned.
Look at that. Boom. Oh.
It just keeps
That's a
happening.
tanker.
The disaster unfolds right in front of them.
Let's see if we can help people. Watch yourself.
The terror was captured by law enforcement at the scene.